Welcome to our channel. Today we'll explore effective sleep training methods to help your baby establish better sleep patterns. The importance of infant sleep. First, let's understand why infant sleep is so crucial. Adequate sleep is not just important for your baby's well-being, but also for your own sanity. Sleep helps with brain development, emotional stability, and overall health. Create a consistent sleep environment. First and foremost, it's vital to establish a consistent sleep environment. Keep the room dark, quiet, and at a comfortable temperature. This will signal to your baby that it's time for rest. Swaddling can provide a sense of security and comfort for your baby. Wrapping your baby snugly can mimic the feeling of being in the womb, reducing startling reflexes and promoting better sleep. Feeding schedule. Maintaining a regular feeding schedule is important. Whether you're breastfeeding or formula feeding, consistency can help regulate your baby's sleep patterns. Ensure your baby is well fed before bedtime. Bedtime routine. Creating a calming bedtime routine is key. Whether it's a gentle massage, a lullaby, or a soothing story, these rituals signal to your baby that it's time to wind down and sleep. Now that we understand baby's sleep environment, it's time to explore different sleep training methods. Method 1. Gradual sleep training. Gradual sleep training involves teaching your baby to fall asleep on their own. When your baby cries, resist the urge to pick them up immediately. Instead, wait a few minutes before offering comfort. Over time, gradually increase the wait period, allowing your baby to learn self-soothing techniques. Method 2. Ferber method. The Ferber method involves a structured approach to sleep training. After putting your baby to bed, check on them at increasing intervals without picking them up. This method helps babies learn to self-soothe and eventually fall asleep without your constant presence. Method 3. No tears approach. For parents who prefer a gentler approach, the no tears method focuses on responding to your baby's needs promptly. This method emphasizes providing comfort and reassurance, avoiding any prolonged periods of crying. By meeting your baby's needs promptly, you create a sense of security, promoting better sleep. Conclusion: in the end, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to sleep training. It's important to choose a method that aligns with your parenting style and your baby's needs. Remember, every baby is different, and what works for one may not work for another. Be patient, and most importantly, provide your baby with the love and comfort they need during this crucial stage of development. Before we go, we have an incredible resource to make your baby's sleep even more comfortable. Check out Ababy Sleep Miracle, a fantastic guide for ensuring your baby gets the best sleep. Download this book now, link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next video.